obviously to make it to Formula 1.
Who will win the Drivers' Championship this season?
Oscar.
She's the first female to ever race and score points in Indian Formula 4. And that's not it. She's just 17 years old.
Bro, are you done? I really want to go karting.
Yeah, but can I ask you a few questions first?
Okay, but be quick.
What's your dream? Like, what is your end goal?
My end goal is obviously to make it to Formula 1 someday. Hopefully with enough support and hard work I can get there.
Who's your favorite F1 driver of all time?
My favorite F1 driver of all time has been Michael Schumacher.
Oh, and why?
It's just something to do with his fighting mentality, the way he's dealt with everything in the sport, even his aggression that helped him out in his prime years.
How did you fall in love with racing?
I fell in love with racing when I first tried it out when I was 9 years old at a go-kart track. It was just something that came so naturally to me, and I just decided I wanted to spend the rest of my life doing it.
And which was your first track when you were 9 years old?
The first track I drove at was a place called Velocity in Panchgani, Maharashtra.
What was the moment when you decided that you can make a career out of racing and just not race for fun?
I think after my first ever race, I had promising results and I was able to sort of experience the competition firsthand, and I thought this is something I would want to dedicate my life to and something I'm willing to work towards. So that's when I started taking it completely seriously, and it just sat in my heart that this is what I want to do then.
Who will win the Drivers' Championship this season? Will it be Norris?
Oscar.
Okay, bye.
It's just his calm approach to every race weekend, his consistency, and the way he's demolishing the competition even mentally before they get on track. So yeah, I think he's got it this year.
What is the biggest challenge of being a racing driver in India?
I think it's a lot to do with sponsorship and visibility, because motorsports is not given as much attention or support as other sports. Primarily, we have cricket in India. So I think that's been the most difficult part for all of us as racing drivers, just raise funds to get there and be on par with all the European drivers.
Yeah. And what would you change if you wanted to change something in Indian motorsports scene? What would you change? Like,
I would definitely try to make it a little bit more accessible, since it's so expensive. And obviously try to get more people to know motorsports, spread the word around, let them know that motorsports is also a sport. And yeah, just hope for if I could change things financially, I would want to start a good racing academy and sort of get more talent from India and give them opportunities abroad.
What keeps you going when the times get really, really tough?
I think it's just the thought of being there someday and understanding all the sacrifices my family, specifically my parents, have made for me to come this far and making my country proud and inspiring a lot more people. I think that's something that really gets me up on my bad days.